Okay, in this video we are going to see how to set parameters of this MSS scale. Here you can see we have four buttons: Tear, Mode, MR and M+. Using this button we are going to set different parameter of this scale. So to enter into parameter setting, we have to hold Mode button and switch on the scale. So hold Mode button and switch on the scale. Display will show pass. Okay, then use Tear button as enter. So if we have pressed Tear button, it will show disp 0. This means whether you want display 10 or 0.000 when weight is 0. So this is power saving option. We can keep it as on. So press Tear. Now here we have option using the M+ button. We can change that option off, on or T1. Usually we keep it as on to save power. Again press Tear button to go forward. It is showing auto 0. So auto 0 means from where you want to scale to start. In this 30 kg scale, our accuracy is 1 gram. So we can start our scale from 2 gram, 3 gram, 5 gram accordingly. So we can set according to our need. Press Tear button. Now here we have to set that setting. Currently it is 1.5. We can change it using M+ button. So we can make it at 2, 2.5, 3.5, 3 accordingly up to 9.5. After that it will start again from 0.5. So in case of this scale, our accuracy is 1 gram. So if we keep it as 1.5, so this scale will start showing weight after 2 gram. So if you kept as 2.5, then it will start showing weight after 3 gram. Similarly 3.5, if you kept as 3.5, it will start showing weight after 4 gram. Normally we keep as 1.5. So kept as 1.5. We can change it using M+. After setting, press Tear button to go forward. Now it is showing speed. So we can set scale speed. We can change it using M+ 230. Normally we keep as 1. Then if you go forward again, it will show DP set. This is nothing but the decimal point setting. In 30 kg scale we kept as 3 decimal points. So press Tear button to go forward. Here we can see decimal point. We have 3 zeros after decimal point. So if you want to change, just use M+ button to change that decimal point setting. We can keep 0 decimal point, 1, 2, 3. In 30 kg we keep 3 decimal points. So here you can see after decimal point we have 30, which is called 3 decimal points. Again to go forward, press Tear button. Now it is display showing step. Step means number of steps we want in our scale. So in 30 kg scale we have step size as 10, 20 and 30. So accordingly we can have step. So go forward using Tear button. Here you can see we have 3 steps. Using M+ button we can change. The maximum we can have 3 steps. So normally in 30 kg scale we have 3 steps. So I will keep it as 3. Then again to go forward, press Tear button LD1. So this is nothing but the in a scale we have 3 different step size. For each step size there is a accuracy and capacity, maximum capacity. So LD1 is step 1 accuracy. So go press Tear. In our 30 kg scale, step size is 10, 20, 30. In 10 kg, up to 10 kg we have accuracy of 1 gram. Up to 20 kg we have accuracy of 2 gram. And up from 20 to 30 kg we have accuracy of 5 gram. So accordingly we are going to set accuracy. So LD1 is accuracy of our first step, which is 10 kg, and we are going to keep it as 1. Using M+ button we can change it 10, 20, 50. So I will keep it as 1. Then again press Tear button, cap 1. So here we have to enter maximum capacity of our cap 1, capacity 1. Okay, to go forward, press tear button. Here we have to enter our maximum capacity of step form using M plus and MR button. So we can use M plus button to increase this last digit. First use MR button to make it is 0, 0.00. M plus button, using M plus we can increase this last digit, and using MR button we can shift to the left, one position left. So here I want to put 10 kg. So first using MR button I will shift all digit and make it as 0.00. Using M plus button I will make last digit at 1, and then I will shift that 1 to such that it will show 10 kg. So it is showing 10.000. Again go forward, use tear button. Now it is showing LD2. This is nothing but the error or accuracy of capacity 2. Press tear, in our case it is 2. Use the M plus button to change it. I will keep it as 2. Then again go forward using tear button. Now it is asking for cap 2. Capacity 2 means nothing but the step size 2 or maximum capacity of step size 2. Use tear button to go forward. Here it is showing 20 kg. Similarly as previous, use MR button to shift and make it as 0.0. Now use M plus button to increase last digit. Now I want to enter 20 kg, so I will make it as 2. Then use MR button to shift to the left such that it will show 20 kg. Again press tear button, LD3. This is nothing but accuracy of our step size or step 3, which is 20 to 30 kg, which is tear. Now use tear button to go forward, cap 3. Here we want to enter 30 kg. Already there is 30 kg, so I will not change it. Again press tear button, it will show more. Now again press tear button to go forward. It is showing liter. So in some cases we want to activate liter option. Some user want liter unit, so for that we can activate this liter. Go forward and use M plus button to make it on or off. If you make it is on, then we have to enter liter factor. So this is factor we have to enter for our liter setting. Then after you can enter this factor using this MR and M plus button. If in case of milk we enter factor as 950, so I will make this last digit as 9. Then shift to the left using MR button. Then again I will make last digit at 5. Then shift to the left using MR button. So 0.950. This is liter factor for milk. After that press tear button. It is showing L disp. So this is nothing but the for liter mode. If you make liter mode on, then when we shift the mode, whether we want to display the L or do not display the L, means when we in normal mode it will show normal way. Now when we shift to the liter mode, either we can display this L or we can disable this L. So press tear button. Here we can make it is on or off. So I will keep this as on. Again go forward using tear button. This is piece. So if you want to activate piece mode, we can activate using this function. Press tear button and use M plus to make it is on, make it as off. Again use tear button. This is animal function. So using this function we can increase our stability. So we can have animal function from 0 to 3. So as we increase our stability, speed of scale will decrease. So make sure that better combination of stability and speed is there. So go forward using tear button. Currently it is 0. For tabletop we keep it as 0. If you want to increase stability, use M plus button and make it as 1, 2 or 3. Normally we keep it as 0. Then press tear button, it will show hold. So if you want to activate hold functionality, we can activate it. Press tear button, it will show off, or using M plus button we can change it off or on. Normally we kept off for a tabletop scale. Again press tear button to go forward. It is showing sleep. So this function is used for power saving option. So if you activate this function, what happen is, if weight is 0, it will wait for some time, and if weight is 0 until some particular amount of time, it will go under sleep mode. In sleep mode, all digit will be off, and this sleep mode will help us to improve our battery performance or battery backup. So we can make it as off or on. Usually we keep it as off, as battery backup is not issue in tabletop. But if you want to increase battery backup, you can make it as on. I will keep it as off. Again go forward here. Now this is back function. So here we can enter our battery type using scale. So in this scale, battery type is 4 volt. So using M plus, we can either make it as 6 volt or 4 volt. Again press tear button. It is showing cal 1. Now we are under calibration mode. So again press tear button. It will show cal 0. After that it will show count. Once count is stable, press tear button. Display will show load. Now put known value load. In this case I am putting 1 kg load on scale. Press tear button. Now we have to enter this value of load. We have put it 1 kg and it is showing 2 kg. So using M plus and MR button, we can enter the value of this load. So using MR button, I will make it as first 0.00, then use M plus button to increase last digit. Now I want to put 1 kg, so I will keep it as 1, and then use MR button to shift that 1 to the left, such that it will show 1 kg. After entering that value of load, simply press tear button. Display will show cal F, and then it will show count. Once count is stable, press tear button, and our calibration and parameter setting is done. So this is how we can set different parameters of scale.